Good morning, Junior 2. Today we have the second lesson, which is called the bird's body. The bird's body. We know from the last session our bodies consist of three parts. Our bodies consist of three parts. The body consists of how many parts? Three. The body consists of how many parts? Three. Head, trunk, and limbs. Super. In the same way, birds have bodies consist of many parts. The bird's body consists of 5 parts. The bird's body consists of 5 parts. The bird's body consists of 5 parts. The bird's body consists of how many parts? 5. The bird's body consists of how many parts? 5. Number 1, eyes. 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 Birds have eyes to see. Birds have eyes to see. Super. Number 2, beak. 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 Junior 2, we all have mouth. Right or wrong? Right. To eat. Also birds need to eat. How? By beak. By beak. By beak. So, birds have mouth or beak? Beak. Super. Number 1, eyes. Number 1, eyes. Number 2, beak. Beak. The bird's body consists of how many parts? 5. The bird's body consists of how many parts? 5. Number 1, eyes. Number 2, beak. Super. Number 3, wings. 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 Birds have wings to fly. Birds have wings to fly. Super. Number 4, legs. 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 Number 5, claws. 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 Do you know claws? Birds have claws to sit on the tree. Right? Right. So, the bird's body consists of how many parts? 5. The bird's body consists of how many parts? 5. Number 1, eyes. Number 1, eyes. Number 2, beak. Beak. Number 3, wings. Wings. Number 4, legs. Legs. Number 5, claws. Claws. Supers. Now I will ask you, what is this? Eyes. Eyes. Supers. And that? Beak. Beak. Birds have mouth or beak? Beak. Supers. And that? Wings. Wings. And that? Legs. 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 Supers. And that? Claws. Claws. Super, Junior 2. Now, I will make a revision. Let's revise from beginning. The bird's body consists of how many parts? 5. The bird's body consists of how many parts? 5. Eyes, beak, wings, legs, claws. Supers. Eyes, beak, wings, legs, claws. Supers. Now, we will solve an exercise in the main booklet, page number 5. Label the following figure. Junior 2. Number 1. What is this? Eyes. Number 2. Wings. Number 3. Beak. Number 4. Legs. Number 5. Claws. Supers. We have homework in the worksheet booklet, page number 2.